How to save your reels to drafts on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save your reels to drafts on Instagram. First thing, go to your Instagram, go to your profile and click on the reels icon besides post. Click on your reel. For example, I want to save this reel to my drafts. All I need to do is click on those 3 points and click on delete. Now I'm gonna click on delete and move to drafts. Deleting. And this is my reels draft. If you log out of or uninstall the Instagram app, your draft will be lost. So this is it. Guys. This reel is drafts now. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.